Bear Snores On by Carmen Wilson and Jane Chapman. In the cave in the woods in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter patter tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a hot small spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," says Badger with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble with the munch, and munch with the chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a raven and a wren flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chatter and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small black pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, the whole crowd freezes, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. Oh, look how frightened they all are. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbles on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.